my name is Dana Church, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make gold wire ornament hangers. It's really pretty easy. When I started looking around for Christmas, I did realize for the first time that there really weren't any gold ones out there that I could find. I always get these sort of green ones that are fairly cheap. They have a certain shape like this. But what you're going to do is go to a craft store, even a local superstore actually is where I got this for $1, and you can buy this gold wire. I think it's mainly for beading possibly, but it's a very good thickness for what we're going to do too. So basically you take that and you're going to probably get about 3.5 inches. I just open up one of these to see how big it needs to be, and that's about 3 inches. And then I take my gold wire, and then I'm going to use some wire cutters, although scissors actually work with this too. So I'm going to clip it. And then you might need some needle nose pliers. And then what you're going to do is, some people suggest using a pencil, but I just use whatever I've got, a thick glue stick. And then it's so pliable really, you can just bend it around without the needle nose pliers really. So I do that at the bottom, for the hook at the bottom. And then for fun, if you want to, if you do have some beads, you can add a bead on here. You just got to make sure it fits, just for, elegance or whatever you want to do. And then, after you get that on there, wherever you want it to be, sometimes it bends a little bit, so you got to be careful. You can use this to straighten it back out. And then for the top, I usually make an S hook like this, so I go backwards the other way. So I take my glue stick again, and I just use it to mold over the top like this. And so you basically just end up with a little, I guess backwards S, no S. And there you go. And of course, you're going to hang the ornament on this part, and then you're going to hang this on the tree. And so there you go, a gold wire ornament hanger.